Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibe is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Yep, it's been a while, but your boy's back with another reaction video from 1930. These musics from those times are crazy, nasty. Our music 80s, 90s, 2000s, 2010s, 2020 have nothing pon the 30s. You feel me? Yeah, man. This is the male version of Lucille. Yeah, this song is nasty called My Girl Pussy. Now watch it and enjoy, like and share the video. Boom. Yep, good to go. Can a cat sound that? Oh, well, my girl's pussy. I jump on the rhythm. Bring your fat boom boom girl, come to me. Bring your fat boom nanny, come to me. Let me play with your little kitty. Let me play with your little kitty. Bring your fat boom nanny, come to me. Bring your fat boom boom, come to me. When I see you spread your legs, I see heaven on earth. Bring the fat boom boom, come to me. Let me play with your little queen. Bring the fat boom boom, come to me. Let me play with your little. You don't go sign up. You go like this.
There's one pet I like to pet, and every evening we get set. I stroke it every chance I get. It's my girl's pussy.
Yeah?
Seldom plays and never purrs, and I love the thoughts it stirs, but I don't mind because it's hers. My girl's pussy. Often it goes out at night, returns at break of dawn. No matter what the weather's like, it's always nice and warm. It's never dirty, always clean, in giving thrills, never mean. But it's the best I've ever seen, it's my girl's pussy.
Yo, them 30s music, yeah. Our music, whether 80s, 90s, 2000s, 2010s, 2020s, have nothing. This is the Lucille version of man version of Lucille, yeah. And it's a white man too, you know. Bass raw. Read him again. Bring the fat boom boom girl, come to me. The fat little pussy, come to me. Let me play with your little pussy. Let me play with your little. Yo, man, the verse too short. I would love to hear a hook and 3 more verses.
There's one pet I like to pet, and every evening we get set.
Yeah?
I stroke it every chance I get.
Yeah.
It's my girl's pussy.
Yo, he must sound so angry.
Never burns, and I love both it burns, but I don't mind because it's hers. It's my girl's pussy. So often it goes out at night, every turn to break of dawn. No matter what the weather's like, it's always dryable. I bring tidbits that is love. We still like to turtle doves. I take care to remove my gloves when stroking my girl's pussy.
Yo, he was angry. One of your girl gave away the pussy. Has to. That's the reason why I was so angry. Yeah, my peeps, I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. I did enjoy it, as you can see, as you can tell. My girl pussy. I don't know about your girl pussy, but I know that my girl pussy nice and clean. My girl pussy warm and teen. My girl pussy, you get it in the quarantine. Yo, so please do me a favor, like this video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video again, help me grow the channel. I'm back. Yep, stay safe until next time.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibe is so nice. Gonna drink.